Welcome to this meditation journey, where we'll explore and unlock the pathways to your true self and purpose. As you settle into a comfortable position, allow yourself to be present in this moment, leaving behind the day's worries and distractions. This time is for you, a sacred space to connect deeply with your inner wisdom and guide yourself towards the path that is uniquely yours. For optimal results, I recommend listening to this session daily to fully embrace its transformative effects. Be a part of the Red Button Challenge community by subscribing to my channel, and please like and share this video with your friends. I invite you to watch our homepage video to explore my vision for a global shift in consciousness. Let's begin this journey with a deep breath and an open heart. Start by taking a deep, slow breath. Inhale through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand. Hold it gently. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel more relaxed and centered. Now continue this breathing for a few moments in peace. Now, gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your body, starting at your feet. Feel any sensations here and allow them to relax. Gradually move up through your body, your legs, hips, your abdomen, chest, your arms and head, releasing tension and inviting a sense of peace. Look around you. The landscape is a reflection of your inner world. It might be a lush forest filled with vibrant greens and the gentle rustling of leaves. It could be a serene beach with the rhythmic sound of waves, or a majestic mountain range with peaks touching the skies. Each element in this landscape resonates with a part of your soul. Observe the colours around you. They are more vivid and alive than you've ever seen. Notice how the light plays and dances with the environment, creating shades and hues that evoke different emotions and sensations within you. Perhaps the warm glow of the sun brings a sense of comfort, or the cool shade under a tree offers a moment of reflection. Listen to the sounds that accompany you on this path. The gentle whisper of the wind, the distant call of a bird, or the soothing sound of a nearby stream. Each sound connects you deeper to this journey, making it more real, more tangible. As you walk, feel a sense of purpose and curiosity. You are an explorer of your own life. open to the discoveries and insights that this path has to offer. With each step, you move closer to understanding your true self, your desires, and your destiny. Allow yourself to engage fully with this path. Feel the air on your skin, the scents that surround you, and the subtle energies that flow through this space. This path is yours, and it is as unique and special as you are. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a curious mind. As you walk, I will speak into your existence some powerful affirmations. Let these words resonate within your heart and soul, guiding you towards your true path. Let them touch every aspect of your inner being, igniting your true potential. I am aligned with my true purpose. Each step I take is a small step towards my authentic self. I trust the journey, even when the path is unclear. I am deeply connected with the core of my being. My heart and mind are in harmony with my life's goals. I am constantly guided towards my true north. I embrace the unique journey that is mine alone. Every challenge is a stepping stone to my true self. I possess the strength to create my destiny. My choices reflect my hopes, not my fears. I am a vessel of peace and clarity. My intuition is a trustworthy guide on my path. I am worthy of a fulfilling and purposeful life. I attract experiences that nurture my soul. I am open to the lessons life teaches me. My spirit is resilient, capable of overcoming any obstacle. I am a beacon of love and authenticity. I find joy in the pursuit of my life's purpose. I am grounded in my values and beliefs. My actions contribute to my personal growth. I embrace change as a natural part of growth. I am in tune with the rhythm of my life's journey. My life is a reflection of my inner truth. I honor my desires and give them space to flourish. I am grateful for the progress I make each day towards my true path. Now, in silence, reflect on these affirmations. Allow your intuition to speak to you, revealing insights and guidance on your path. As this meditation comes to a close, gently start to bring your awareness back to the present. Take a deep breath, feeling energized and at peace. Carry these affirmations and insights with you as you move through your day, knowing that you are on your unique path, guided by your inner wisdom. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you walk your true path with courage, clarity, and joy.